So trưởng Mai, tell me, how does that taste?
It tastes really good. My stomach. What did you use for the spam?
Soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar.
Create your own sauce, huh? Oh, look at all of the huynh trưởng just...
Judges, any comments?
So you know what? Instead of trưởng Jocelyn interviewing the judges, how about one of you guys? Do you want to tell us how your food tastes? Because I saw you guys were eating them.
Oh, we didn't eat musubi yet.
Oh.
Okay. They're ready for you.
Johnny, how was it? It was good. What'd you like?
Món này là kêu bằng món gì đây?
The flavor.
Món gì đây?
Nó gọi là cold noodles, right? Cold noodles and what?
Cold noodles and spam musubi.
Spam musubi.
It's, you want to know the name of the dish?
Bảo tình dish.